Hey there people, what is up and welcome to my new tutorial. In this tutorial I'm going to show you how I got Pokemon Go Spoofer absolutely free, safe and online without downloading any modded APKs or any software. Guys, you can do it with your Android or iOS devices, and for a start let's go to Google or any browser you have and navigate to this website. It's called appsnake.com. You will find it easily, and then let's search down below and click on Pokemon Go. So guys, there we will have to enter our trainer code. I have already copied it. So guys, if you don't know how to find it, just click here how to find it. It's pretty simple. Just go to your profile, go to your friends, add friend, and just copy your trainer code. So let me click continue, and it will start searching for your user account. Guys, you should get this message, user found, and then we will get this, select the additional features you would like to add to your account. Guys, so that's Spoofer generally. So I will select all of these features to add to our Pokemon Go, and if you want, you can paste Google coordinates here to get teleported to that location. I don't need it. I will just click continue, and third step will load up like this and API will start connecting. So guys, make sure to subscribe to my channel in order to stay updated with all these kind of reviews and tutorials, because I will record it more and I will review more websites. So yeah, there we go guys, API is connected, our user account is connected, and now we will have a few minutes to complete this bot captcha, because there is a lot of malicious bot attempts. So just click I'm not a robot like this and it should verify you, and there we go guys, verification successful. Thank you for passing the bot check. Extra features are on the way guys, we got it. So let's open now our Pokemon Go and let's see. There we go guys, we got this small star, and it's the sign that we will actually receive our Pokemon Go Spoofer features. Let's see now. Let's wait for this loading screen. Okay, and guys, I wanted to say that you can actually customize it. Let me show you now. Let's click on this. So if you click there, you will get all these amazing options. So let me skip this. As you can see guys, we got also this small joystick, and we can play our Pokemon Go from home. Guys, you can click settings, you can do literally whatever you like. You can click teleport. Look at this guys, we got it for free for about 2 minutes of work. So yeah, appsnake.com is legit website where you can get your spoofer for your Pokemon Go, and you can play it from home or your Android or your iOS guys. It's freaking amazing. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this tutorial guys. I hope you enjoyed and found it helpful. If you do, make sure to like this video, to comment down below, and to subscribe to my channel. And once again, thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video. Bye.